Assalamualaikum friends, join my telegram channel Sheri official. I will provide any notification of video. Here is water frame mask 2 3 sorry 1 2 3, okay, and here is different. So first I drag this file, very easy. Just import your photo and press Ctrl S. Added mask, and here is background, black background or white background, depend your choice. Black, or you can change, see, okay, black is okay. So we need a image for here. Double click to place your image. For example, I drag this file, sorry for background noises, and for example like this. I know these files are high resolution, so okay, press Ctrl S for saving. 75. Wow, you see our photo in this water shape. You can change photo or you can make more better. Same file here, double click and open photo. Control S for saving. Wow, depend your own choice. You can write anything, write anything or import any photo, or just I hope this mockup are useful for you. Subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.